trouble.
Nothing beats it.
So Shanell, let me just ask you something.
And right now, you can save.
So if a girl come up the hill, right? If 2 by 2 a girl come up the hill, come fight me, you that help me fight?
We've got millions of free child place holidays available.
You not get me in a mix up.
Kilograms of baggage included.
What you say?
But now, with Jet2 holidays.
If I did J, then who do I go on,
you
so?
can trust. National protected.
So, what you try to say? Shanell, what you try to say? Shanell, may I tell you this so I know. May I get serious. Make sure say by your man and you pack your bag and come out of my house. Because I don't want box in your face. Here. Me get up and come around this right now and spread my blood clot finger them cross with your face. Here. You hear me I say to you? I'm want you to take it serious. Somebody just like you utter something out of your mouth to me right now. What me not like. And see how serious me is. Because I'm willing to go blood clot jail. Hey girl, you have sense? Nobody know you with a girl that just said to me. Don't wonder if that girl is a mad girl. Girl, you're sensible? You're really sensible what you discourse said to me, girl? Hey, Zoe, me serious. I'm not joking. Me not joke. Go down there so go get Jagger out of the fucking car there and carry Jagger come here now. Tell Jagger say me not play. Hey girl, make sure say a man in your miss from half of the country I was part me there, yeah? Cause me not play them game there. This blood clot girl, no man, the girl out of order. Me have strength for you. When everybody say you take up deep on my life. I know you go call Jaden blood clot name in your bumbo clot long mouth. Eh? Jaden have nothing to do with it. You're too fucking mixed up as a woman. You jump and go add the woman for my blood clot life and next you want to come this, my girl? Hey girl, hurry up and lift up because I'm going to take this. I tell you the truth. I'm going to give a fuck when nobody wants to step on this. Aki walk. You know you with a girl that said to me this while ago?
She said to me, I say, yo, if Jaden do it and we there, so you are going to do it.
So, if Jaden, she try to say, if Jaden do it, me would not go on so. But because of she, me only have strength for her.
Strength, brother. You know if you do it, if me do it, I said fuck you, why me going to do that? You know what I mean?
That's crazy. Because me did over here, so I did over here, so I relax and I talk with my people them. Me never did not go over there in them passa. You get me? And me run joke with she.
Come and say about talking in silence. Nobody even know.
Nobody even know. So I was just running joke with her and me I said to you, I miss what going over there. And this girl make us other pan the life he mix up. And then she go talk about Jaden now. If Jaden do it, I'm my strength for she. She didn't even look at it and say, honestly, sorry about that virtue because you get what me I say? Brother, me even look back with this so. From that I'm with the woman, me even look back blood clot did this so. It just come like a stress, a bumbo clot girl. Me I tell you the truth in the youth. How what is so girl man? Oi, brother, hear me I say to you. I may talk it loud and blood clot clear. That you no make 8 o'clock catch channel on me yard. Because me no me box down blood clot channel wicked. You hear me tell you? But they hear up on the live, right? Me I run joke with she. And we run joke about food. And she say, okay, then a pies. She did want pies you. That's why the food stayed so last night. That's why she say she never did want. Give me none of the food. But me I run joke and I laugh with her same way. right? Boom, so now, we hear say Jabas and D them in a kasa argument, right? Me tell myself, say, me now go in none of them arguments. So, me and Aki walk there, so me say, make we go look and see what go on. But Aki walk phone, you know, right? Boom, see, you know, say, Chanel de pa me live. I know, say, Chanel a D. So, me and D catch up right here, so, because you know, say, me and D no deal. Right? I know, say, D have me up for blood clot Jabas. So, Chanel, me case a D, me and D in a one bag of blood clot argument, yes, so. So, no, me there, so now, I say to her, no, me keep on a talk to her, I say, why you do that? Oh, you just fucking mix up and wreck. You know how me see her, me a talk to her. She say, if I did Jaden do it, and me, she have strength for. She say, if Jaden did do it, I would say nothing. But because me have strength for, she alone me have strength for. After everything what she did do, you know. Brother, me I beg you. I beg you. That time me I beg you make Chanel left your morning. As light as the cock take off him jazz. As the crack draw down him jazz. Make that girl left me, please. Please. You hear? Me not go a step further. I'm a dead serious. Oh. But fuck when no one blood class say. But if I did Jaden this and if I did Jaden that. You too blood clot enough. Instead of you go and so go learn for blood clot cook. That you got blood clot do. You too fucking enough. You come blood clot there underneath my roof and disrespect me and top it. You're not gonna happen. You too mix up. And when you want to mix up, you start skin off your blood clot teeth. May I warn you, brother. Make sure say baby mother left me place a morning. I'm not joke. Oh. You know, Tavada and bright. Boy, if I did Jaden do it, my other have nothing to say. But I become me have strength for you.